take a little time to think things over. I better read between the lines in case I need it when I'm older. In my life, and there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop it now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. I'm gonna take a little time to look around me. I've got nowhere left to hide. It looks like love has finally found me. In my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop it now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me.
Well done, Charlotte. Well done, girl. Louise, what do you think?
Charlotte, I had to stand on my chair for you, and this is probably going to be the shortest comment I have ever made, but all I wrote down was incredible. I literally cannot fault that performance, and it is 100% the best performance of this whole competition to date. So massive well done, and that's all I can say. Well done.
Kelly.
Yeah, no, I've got to second that. What you did with that song just moved me in such a way that I don't think I can explain it. You, being a singer yourself, you probably feel that there's probably songs that you hear and they it's like your insides just come alive and you just can't contain how you feel, and that's how I felt. If that makes any sense at all, and I don't sound like a raging weirdo, but it was like. I just felt like so many different emotions, and it didn't sound like a competition entry. It sounded like somebody had just remade that and released it, and that's what I was listening to. And I would listen to that song over and over and over again. It was faultless. It was perfect. Everything you did with it. The riffs that you put into it were stunning. How controlled you were with your low notes. I honestly can't give you enough praise for what you did with that song. I mean, it's like an 80s, cheesy rock song, and you made it meaningful. You made it deep. You just you brought it back to life, you know, and it was just, it needs to be like recorded professionally and put out there, you know. That's how good that was. And not just what you did with it, the quality of your voice, everything about that was just amazing. It gave me goose pimples. I felt it everywhere. And I know I'm like waffling and I'm like a mumbling idiot right now, but that's because I can't express to you how amazing that actually was. It was my favourite performance that you have ever done, and my favourite performance of the whole of this season so far. It was just top notch, honest to God. Well done, you should be buzzing.
Charlotte, yeah, I mean, one of the things we've always had with you is that it's just a confidence thing and just an insecurity of, oh, am I allowed to do this with the song? Am I allowed to do this? And so far this season, I'm seeing you become more confident with that. But this performance in particular was like the epiphany of everything you've done. I really do feel like that. And I think Kelly picked up the best you've ever seen of you. Hands down, the best we've ever seen of you. Hands down. Just remarkable, like how controlled it was, how unique it was, how current it sounded, how sellable it sounded. It was just perfection at its finest vocally. It was just fab, honestly. So innocent too. Loved the makeup and everything, that improvement there. Loved the plain background, massive improvement there. Like we see good singers, we see bad singers, we see singers that need work, but we see singers that are just raw. And I've just got something very, very special and gifted. And you are 100% one of them. And I've told you this before a long time ago. It's just taken you a while to see this yourself. And now it feels like you are starting to see this. And if you don't see it yet, I want you to look at us now and as we're telling you this and see what you are and what you are capable of, because it is very, very special. You've got the ability to rip this season apart, rip it apart. So keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. The only thing, if I've got to give you something from here on out, is just keep getting more creative with the visuals, like the backgrounds. If you want to do 2 video clips and then send them over and we crop them together. Because, to be honest with you, that vocal is so special. We should be taking advantage of the visual and everything. All right, just take advantage of it. Go mad. Other than that, wow, amazing vocal. Well done.